Hey there viewers, do you love drinking tea? If you like different teas, you're going to like cinnamon tea. It isn't just delicious, it's also awesome for your health. This includes helping you lose weight. In today's video, we'll talk about the impressive health benefits of cinnamon tea. Can it help bring down your blood sugar levels? Is it true cinnamon tea is great for reducing menstrual cramps? What about its impact on inflammation in your body? We'll be talking about all of these and more. Let's get started. Number 1. Brings down blood sugar levels. One of the advantages of cinnamon is that it can bring down your blood sugar levels. Cinnamon can have the same effect as insulin by moving all the sugar into your tissues away from your bloodstream. The compounds present in cinnamon can also reduce insulin resistance, which will, in turn, lead to lower blood sugar levels. Additionally, cinnamon can work towards breaking down the carbs you've consumed. This can help ensure you don't see a spike in blood sugar levels after a meal. Number 2. Reduces menstrual cramps and related symptoms. Drinking cinnamon tea can help you deal with menstrual symptoms such as PMS and nausea. While cinnamon may not completely get rid of these conditions, it'll allow you to tolerate it more than you usually would. In one study, a group of women were given 3 grams of cinnamon while another was given a placebo. The group with the cinnamon reported having much less menstrual pain compared to the placebo group. Cinnamon has also been shown to help with menstrual bleeding along with the severity of nausea and vomiting women experience while on their periods. Number 3. Reduces inflammation. The compounds present in cinnamon can also help reduce the markers related to inflammation. This can be beneficial as inflammation is responsible for many chronic diseases, including heart disease. Research has shown that consuming just 120 milligrams of cinnamon every day can be enough to reduce bad cholesterol levels, as well as triglycerides. The same amount of cinnamon can also help increase good cholesterol too, which can improve the health of your heart. Among the types of cinnamon, cassia cinnamon has compounds called coumarins that help make sure your blood vessels don't get too narrow. As a result, these compounds can also prevent you from getting blood clots. However, coumarins should be taken in moderation. Too much of the compound can affect the way your liver functions. It can even make it bleed. Number 4. Helps reduce weight. Cinnamon tea is one of the beverages recommended for people who are following a weight loss program. There have been various studies that show how consuming cinnamon can help with both weight loss as well as a reduction in waist size. In one study, both fat loss and muscle loss were examined. Participants were given 20 grams of cinnamon on a daily basis for a period of 12 weeks. By the end, it was found that participants were able to lose their fat mass while gaining muscle mass. Cinnamon tea can be a good beverage to drink if you want to lose weight. Just make sure you're drinking it in limited quantities. Number 5. Protects against bacteria and fungi. Cinnamon also comes with properties that can help fight bacteria and fungi. There are common bacteria such as Salmonella and E. coli that are responsible for causing illnesses among people. They're even fatal. In one test tube study, it was seen that a compound cinnamaldehyde, which is present in cinnamon, can help prevent any of the harmful bacteria, fungi, and molds from causing harm. The antibacterial properties present in cinnamon can help bring down the severity of bad breath and can also protect us from tooth decay as well. Before we move ahead, here's another video you might like. Are you concerned about your immunity during cold and flu season? Watch and learn more about the 7 natural ways to boost your immune system. Now back to our list of 11 health benefits of cinnamon tea. Number 6. Packed with antioxidants. One of the main benefits of drinking cinnamon tea is that it's packed with antioxidants. These are compounds that can help fight free radicals present in your body. If there are too many free radicals, they can cause oxidative stress on your cells. This can cause disease such as cancer and diabetes. Research suggests drinking cinnamon tea can greatly improve your total antioxidant capacity. This shows your body's ability to fight off free radicals. It was also seen that only cloves and oregano have more antioxidants than cinnamon. This was done in a study of 26 different spices. Number 7. May help with killing cancer cells. Cancer is one of the biggest causes of death around the world. With various lifestyle changes in today's culture, cancer has become even deadlier. Cinnamon may have properties that help fight off cancer in the body. In a test tube study, it was seen that cinnamon extract was able to help destroy certain types of cancer cells. One of the types of cancer it was successful against was skin cancer. Apoptosis is a kind of programmed cell death that your body uses to get rid of unneeded cells. But in cancer cells, apoptosis is blocked. Cinnamon helps by affecting apoptosis on cancer cells so that it can stop the spread. Number 8. May fight against brain disease. Alzheimer's disease is one that is commonly seen among people as they get older. It's a disease that wipes out memory and can also cause you to lose many mental functions. Parkinson's is a similar disease that affects people as they age, but affects the motor skills of a person. In a test tube study, it was seen that cinnamon extract has the capacity to protect brain cells from contracting Alzheimer's disease. Research also suggests cinnamon can help improve motor skills of people who have Parkinson's. Number 9. Helps slow skin aging. We all get older, it's just a fact of life. But we can still make choices that allow us to age gracefully. One of these choices can be to drink more cinnamon tea. When you're exposed to sunlight for too long, the ultraviolet rays can have an impact on your skin. Along with age, this exposure to sunlight can cause your outer skin layer to become thin. As a result, you start to look older than you might actually be. This is where cinnamon tea comes in. Research suggests cinnamon can help in the formation of collagen. It can also help keep your skin elastic and hydrated. Number 10. Reduces acne. Another skin-related advantage of eating cinnamon is that it can help fight off acne. This particular condition is caused by oil and dead skin cells getting plugged in the hair follicles on your skin. Acne usually results in pimples and blackheads. Although it occurs mostly in teenagers, acne can happen to people of all ages. Cinnamon can be helpful in dealing with acne. Research shows that cinnamon extract can fight off bacteria responsible for those gross pimples. Number 11. It's easily included in your diet. Cinnamon tea is very easy to make, and you can include it in your diet without having to make any crazy changes. It can be had at any temperature. If you're not in the mood to make it from scratch, cinnamon tea bags are easily available at supermarkets and grocery stores. To make cinnamon tea, all you have to do is add a tablespoon of cinnamon to 1 cup of boiled water. Stir it around for a minute, and your drink is ready. There are cinnamon sticks available as well, which you can steep in boiling water for around 15 minutes. Also, considering that cinnamon tea has no caffeine in it, you can drink the beverage at any time of day. For those using the beverage to control their blood sugar levels, it should be had along with their meal. If you're taking medication, however, it's best to consult your doctor before drinking the tea. Cinnamon tea is definitely great for you, but what about other teas? There are so many that benefit your health. What's better is they're available in stores. Let's keep the conversation going with a couple more tea-related videos, shall we? Here's what you need to know. Watch what happens to your body when you drink matcha tea every day. You can also try our video on reasons you should be drinking black tea every day. Go ahead, click one, or better yet, watch both. Learn more about different types of teas and their impact on your health. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Have you tried any of these teas? Would you consider it after watching this video? Let us know in the comments below.